What's most important, impact or profit?
Income. So this is how it works, okay? Impact equals influence. Influence equals income. So you have to have impact before you have real true influence, and you have to have influence in order to make good long-lasting income. So impact always comes first.
Boom. Eddie, what is more important, impact or profit?
Whew, golly. Impact or profit? I think impact is more important, right? Because if you look at profit, profit is important for sure, right? But impact goes beyond the next step, right? For example, what do I mean by that? Think about the impact that you have when you hear someone speak or a sermon, that it changes, it actually shifts who you are as an individual, and it now allows you to be able to go accomplish something greater than you ever thought you can do. You can have all the money in the world, and if you don't have that shift, then you can accomplish some great things, but not the greatest that you can accomplish. So I think impact is the most important thing over profits every single time.
Boom. All right, what is more important, impact or profit?
Definitely impact, man. The more people you impact, the more success you're gonna have, man. People love people that provide value. People help people that provide value. So you're actually gonna get more out of life from helping people than trying to just profit, right? So impact, definitely.
Boom. What is most important, impact or profit?
Impact, because if you can impact people and become one of the best at impacting people and getting people to relate to a message and helping them become successful, the profit comes anyway.
Boom. All right, what is most important, impact or profit?
Impact, bro. Like my whole reason, this is true right here. When you said it, like, man, it's like this is my lane for real. I don't even look at profit, bro. I know that's funny to some people. I don't. It's about, I look at the person or the thing or whatever I'm into, what I'm about to solve. And my whole purpose is tied to impact, right? So I got into real estate. I got into any business because I can't take money to the grave. Like 3 things coming with you: family, wealth, deeds. Deeds sticking, rest to returning. So if I can have an impact, that impact can compound even when I'm in the grave. That's just my belief. That these people living on is helping somebody, like, I don't care if it's a well, I don't care if it's a library, you know, it's compounding. So impact to me is way more better than profit to me. This right here is going to impact somebody on some type of level. And I never even know about it, but I know it will. What you're doing going to impact for forever, right? Because it's going to live forever. So impact definitely over profit to me, bro.
Boom. What is more important, impact or profit?
Ooh, that's a good one. So when you're starving and you don't know how to feed your family or your babies, or, you know, profit's more important because you need to make profit so you can actually feed yourself. But once your basic needs are met, where you don't have to worry about food, shelter, health insurance, healthcare, things like that, your basic primal needs are met, then impact's more important, because the money just doesn't do anything for you more than fuel your ego. But then impact actually does something for you, moves you, because you see people's lives that you've changed, and there's something about that in just our psyche and the human condition that actually moves you. And when you go to bed at night, you feel more at peace when you go to bed thinking, man, I really helped somebody today, versus, man, I really took advantage of somebody to make a quick buck. And so in the long run, it's impact, but in the short run, like in a more, hey, I gotta, survive situation, it's definitely profit.
Boom.